How to convert Spaylater to Shopeepay. So first things first is just simply open up your Shopee application and ensure that you are logged into your account. And the very first thing that you want to do is make sure that you are already been approved or eligible to use Spaylater. If not, the activation button is just visible by here at the bottom part of your screen. Just simply tap on that and just allow for a few days for Shopee to respond to you so that you will know if you're eligible to use Shopee Pay later or not. And once you have activated your SPay later, all I have to do to use this or convert this as your Shopee Pay is just to open up the Shopee Pay corner. In here, what you want to do is just to use the scan feature. Now, if you receive any items from Shopee and wanting to pay this using your SPay later, then just simply go into this scan option and then just scan the QR code coming from the rider, whoever sent you the parcel. So those are the things that you can do for you to convert SPay later into Shopee Pay.